G'day, I'm Will. This morning we're in the TRAKKA. It's a single fuel source vehicle. We'll be using our diesel stovetop and we'll be cooking some breakfast oats. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the stove. It's best to go about 1 part oats to 3 parts water. I like to put a little bit more water in, I don't like it to be too dry. And then we'll put it on our stove cold. We'll add a little bit of salt. Give it a quick stir to get it going. While that starts to heat up, we're going to chop our bananas and some of our berries and get our almonds ready to go. So what does it mean to be a single fuel source vehicle? We don't have to go anywhere to get gas. Once we pull up, we're off the grid and we're ready to cook. Right, so as our oats are starting to cook, we're going to add our coconut milk here to our other pot. We've given this tin a good shake before we open it. About half a tin we've used there. Starting to thicken up nicely. We can smell the coconut milk. Beautiful. Starting to get nice and thick now. Good consistency. Our coconut milk is starting to boil and froth up a little bit. We're just about ready to go.